Some Chattanoogans are calling for more resources for those experiencing mental health issues. This comes as a result of an effort to determine how the funds are allotted in the city's budget. Meredith Aldis is here in the studio with more. Meredith?
David, the state and federal governments actually fund mental health services, but when the city received this feedback, they say they want to help too.
We heard this loud and clear as a increased priority for this year ahead.
Right before the holidays, the city asked for public input on where they want to see their tax dollars spent for the fiscal year 2022. This year, the process was a little different with Zoom meetings and an online survey.
The budget report that we shared was kind of the result of that, what people said they wanted to see in each area of our budget.
The four main sections of the budget are safer streets, growing economy, stronger neighborhoods, and smarter students and stronger families. Of those categories, one of the top responses from community members on what could be improved is resources for mental health crisis. And here are some examples.
Increase mental health and addiction services. Stop using ambulances to transport individuals suffering from a mental health emergency. Increase funding for mental health facilities. Provide more options to deal with mental health that are not police-based.
Currently, the state and federal government fund mental health services. But Yunt says with this response from the community, the city may need to step up.
What we're doing isn't working, and it could be a mixture of cuts to mental health services over the past 50 years in our country, and it can also be maybe we're not funding the most effective services. Maybe we could be reinvesting in things that have better outcomes for people with mental illness.
The estimated rates of anxiety and depression among adults have more than tripled across the country during the COVID-19 pandemic, according to the CDC.
When we worry about our health outcomes, when we are often physically estranged from others, and when we are concerned about the future, mental health suffers.
Mayor Burke says he plans to get the 2022 fiscal year budget in the best place possible and then present it to the next mayor. Then the future mayor can neither accept or deny the proposed budget and take it to city council. Reporting live in the studio, Meredith Aldis, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.